Hey there! If you've been exploring the keto lifestyle, you probably know the classic version: high fat, moderate protein, and very low carbs. But did you know there are actually different types of keto diets, each tailored for different goals, lifestyles, and even belief systems? Today, we're breaking down 3 major variations of keto: lazy keto, cyclical keto, and vegan or plant-based keto. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which version could fit your goals, your schedule, and your values best. Let's dive right in. Part 1. Lazy keto. Let's start with the most popular beginner-friendly version, lazy keto. Lazy keto is basically keto without the math. You focus on keeping carbs low, but you don't track calories, protein, or fat in detail. Instead of obsessing over every macro, your main goal is to stay under roughly 20 to 50 grams of net carbs per day. This version appeals to people who want to experience keto's benefits, like fat loss, reduced cravings, and more stable energy, without spending their lives counting macros in an app. For example, instead of measuring every tablespoon of olive oil or weighing your chicken breast, you just make smart choices, skip the bread, load up on non-starchy veggies, healthy fats, and protein. It's simple, it's flexible, it's sustainable for many busy people. However, lazy keto has a few downsides. Without tracking protein, some people undereat it, which can slow down metabolism or cause muscle loss over time. And since you're not logging fat or total calories, it's easy to overeat fat and wonder why the scale isn't moving. So, lazy keto works best for maintenance or a relaxed approach. But if you want faster or more measurable results, a structured keto plan might be better. PAT2, cyclical keto. Next up, cyclical keto, also known as carb cycling keto. This one's designed for people who train hard athletes, lifters, or anyone doing high-intensity workouts. The idea is simple. You eat a standard keto diet for most of the week, usually about 5 or 6 days, and then you reintroduce carbs on 1 or 2 days, usually around your toughest workouts. Those high-carb days refill your glycogen stores, giving you extra energy for performance and recovery. Then, when you go back into keto the next day, your body quickly returns to fat-burning mode. For example, you might do keto Monday through Friday, and then on Saturday, you enjoy rice, potatoes, or even fruit, clean, whole food carbs, before going back to low-carb eating on Sunday. People who follow cyclical keto often say it helps them feel less restricted, perform better in the gym, and maintain more muscle. But there's a catch. If you overdo the carb days or eat processed junk, you can fall out of ketosis and end up feeling bloated or sluggish. So, cyclical keto demands discipline. It's not ideal for beginners. You need to understand your body's signals and how to transition smoothly in and out of ketosis. But for athletes and advanced keto followers, it can be the perfect middle ground between fat burning and high performance. Part 3. Vegan or plant-based keto. Now let's talk about one of the most interesting and challenging versions, vegan or plant-based keto. At first glance, keto and vegan diets seem totally opposite. Keto is all about fats from animal products like butter, cheese, and meat. Vegan diets exclude all animal products entirely. But with a bit of creativity and planning, the two can absolutely work together. In a vegan keto diet, your fats and proteins come from plant sources. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, coconut oil, olives, tofu, tempeh, and plant-based protein powders. Your carbs still stay low, so you'll rely on low-carb veggies like leafy greens, zucchini, cauliflower, mushrooms, and broccoli. Instead of heavy cream or cheese, you use coconut milk or nutritional yeast for creaminess and flavor. It's more restrictive. You'll need to plan your meals to make sure you're getting enough protein, B12, iron, and omega-3 south, since many of those nutrients are harder to get from plants. But for those who want to stay true to vegan principles or reduce their environmental impact while still enjoying keto's benefits, this approach can be incredibly rewarding. And the best part? Vegan keto often means you're eating cleaner fats, more unsaturated fats, more fiber, and fewer processed foods. It can support great digestion, clear skin, and improve long-term health markers if done right. Part 4. Choosing the right variation for you. So, how do you know which variation of keto fits you best? Choose lazy keto if you want an easy, low-stress way to start, or maintain keto without strict tracking. Try cyclical keto if you're physically active, lifting weights, or doing high-intensity workouts and need carbs for performance. Go for vegan keto if your ethics, lifestyle, or health goals align with plant-based eating, but you still want to benefit from ketosis. Remember, there's no one perfect keto. Your ideal approach depends on your body, your goals, and your consistency. You can even experiment to start lazy, then shift into cyclical once you're comfortable, or gradually move toward plant-based sources as you refine your eating habits. Keto isn't about perfection, it's about awareness. It's about understanding how your body responds and building a sustainable routine that feels right for you. Part 5. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, all these variations share one thing. They teach you how to control carbs, stabilize your blood sugar, and tap into fat for fuel. Whether you're eating steak and butter or avocados and tempeh, keto is ultimately a tool, not a rule book. Use it in a way that works for your life. Track your progress, listen to your body, and stay curious. And if you want to go deeper into how to start keto safely, avoid nutrient gaps, and build your own personalized plan, make sure to check out my other videos on keto for beginners and common keto mistakes. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend who's exploring keto, and let me know in the comments which variation you're most curious about. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's no single right way to do keto, only your way.